Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you two new features in Google Slides. The first one is how to add GIFs within Google Slides. Now, if you go to Insert and Image and GIFs and Stickers, you won't see them quite yet unless you've overridden the filter. So I'm going to go to a site that I know is blocked, like giphy.com, and then you'll see this override button. And now I can go back to my slides. So instead of copying and pasting or downloading from Giphy, and so now back in my slides, I can go to Insert Image, and then GIFs and Stickers, and I should be able to search for GIFs now. If it didn't load, you might need to refresh your screen with that curly arrow up to the left of the address bar. And so now you can search for whatever it is that you want to add to your slides, to make your slides more engaging, or maybe to help explain a concept, or whatever you want to use them for. You can just click on one and insert, or you could click and drag to add it and move it around and resize from the corners. So that's how you add GIFs. The other feature I wanted to show you was on the top right corner. If I close these side panels here, you should see this little record button. It looks like a play button with a circle around it. And you can use that for your students or for yourself to record a screencast of your slides. So I'm going to go to a presentation that I made, and then when your students are ready to record their voice reading their presentation, they can just go to the record button and click, and then record new video. By the way, once they've created a video, they'll be able to find it here as well. When they click on the record button, they'll see the link to their video. I'm going to click record, and then it loads my presentation. I'm just going to allow the microphone, and I can dismiss this and allow the camera. So a couple things about the webcam. At the bottom here, you can turn it off. Another option is to blur, so just to the right of that, it can blur your background. And then these two buttons to the right can change the size of the webcam and also the location. So if I want it bigger or smaller, I can adjust right there, or I could change the location. I'm going to turn it off for now. You can also open up your speaker notes if you would like. You can turn off the mic if you need to for some reason. And when you're ready, click record. So let's get started. And then I'm just going to click allow. This switch here is to allow the tab audio. So if you're playing a video, for example, within your presentation, you want that to be on so it can record that audio. Okay, so now it counts down 3, 2, 1. And then you can talk as you read through your slides. They can advance with the arrows. It might take a second to load a video if you have one in there, but then you could click play and play the video and pause and then continue. When you're done, you can click stop. And then unfortunately, I couldn't find a way to preview of the video, but if students know they made a mistake, they can click re-record, or they can save to drive. And then they could watch it from their drive and make a new version if they need to. So I can see here it's uploading to my drive. If I go to my Google Drive, you will have a folder called Slides Recordings. And so in here, students should be able to find their video. But again, they can also find it if they go to the presentation itself. And I can see here in the record button, it's saving the same video. It's a link to the video right there too. After the video is done saving, I can go to the record button to find it. And then if I click on the 3 dots, I can copy the link and share it with the teacher. So the students can just copy that link and paste in a Google Classroom, like add link, and they don't need to worry about changing the permissions or anything like that. The teacher will be able to see it. And that's how you record in Google Slides.